Hi, everybody. Today I want to talk about a slightly different topic um, dedicated mostly to all the guys out there. Um, it's called Brotox. It's a nice little eponym and a little bit of a change on the usual Botox. All joking aside, Botox or Brotox is the same as Botox, but I'd like to call it Brotox because it's a cool way of talking about Botox for men, which is the topic of what I want to talk about today. Botox, as everyone knows out there, it's the number one, or I should say, uh, neurotoxin. There's Botox and there's Dysport. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to talk about Botox because that's what I mostly use in my practice. And everyone knows how awesome Botox is. It's the number one most commonly performed non-invasive procedure in the United States. Plastic surgeons do it, dermatologists do it, and obviously other practices can offer it as well. The nice thing about Botox is that it's very easy. It lasts definitely 3 months, and if you come in every 3 months over the course of a year, it starts lasting a little bit longer and longer. Many women know this because they get Botox. But for all you guys out there, I want to kind of talk to you and focus on you guys today. The same muscles of facial expression that women have, guys also have, including myself. And I want to give a little bit of a personal experience. I recently got Botox. I got Botox a long time ago, but because of I've just been so busy, it's been hard for me to get somebody who I trust to inject my forehead. And although I can give Botox to patients, I'm particularly not fond of injecting needles into my own head. But I was able to entrust getting Botox to my forehead by somebody who I trust. The bottom line is I decided to get Botox because, as you know, I've been doing these videos. And what I noticed in my own videos until recently is that I moved my eyebrows and my forehead a lot, and I had all these wrinkles in my face. And I thought, I'm 40 years old, I look pretty young, but these wrinkles from my videos was driving me crazy. I couldn't take it anymore. And so I finally got Botox, and I probably got Botox about a month ago now, a little over a month ago. Recently, as recently as a month ago. And if you actually look at my videos, you'll notice when I actually started Botox. So before I had Botox in my videos, if you look at all my previous videos, you'll see how much my forehead was, wrinkly, and the wrinkles and the 11s between my eyes were wrinkly, and now they're not. I mean, you can see me. I'm talking to you right now, and my forehead is as smooth as a baby's butt, and it's awesome. I love it. So the same thing that women are concerned about self-consciously, men have issues with too, because we all have the same muscles of facial expression. Now, it's not like you guys are going out and raising your forehead or raising your eyebrows and squinting and doing all these things, but what you'll notice is that your significant other will notice that you have a more relaxed look, and you actually feel relaxed. So when you actually look relaxed, you actually feel relaxed, and it kind of translates on a more of a psychosocial level. And I'm telling you this from firsthand experience. I look at myself, at night, before I go to bed and brush my teeth, and I look at myself and I realize how much younger, literally, that my forehead looks. And it was one thing for me to talk to patients and women about how young they're going to look with Botox, but it's another thing for me to having had it personally, to notice the difference myself. And so this is coming kind of from the heart, so to speak. So hopefully this was a little bit useful in terms of more for guys. Typically the areas that we inject Botox is into the forehead. We also inject it in between the eyebrows, the 11s, the so-called 11s, and also when we smile, we've got these lines. Now, I didn't have my crow's feet injected. It's not so bad that it bothers me, and maybe next time I think I will get it done because I can see some lines coming in over here. But typically those are the areas in the upper third of the face that Botox is most commonly injected. Botox can also be injected into the lips. Some people have these fine lines around their lips, the so-called smoker's lips, that many men may also have, and Botox can be used for that as well. So Botox has various uses out there, and although it's commonly used in women, it's definitely a procedure that I highly recommend that men look to as well. So for all you guys out there, come on in, call the office. Be more than happy to talk to you about Botox. I can talk to you about my personal experience with Botox. And all you ladies out there watching this video, talk to your significant others or husbands about Brotox, and I'll be more than happy to talk to them about it as well. So, as always, hopefully this was useful, and I look forward to the next video, and we'll see you then.